whereas second one is the hut or cottage that is made up of dry leaves, and the third one is made up of cement concrete. Now, guess which one will be the strong and durable? Yes, the third one that is made up of cement concrete. That is strong. It can withstand all seasons, whether it may be a summer, winter, or monsoon. At that time, it can withstand, it can face every season strongly. But what will happen in the house that is made up of soil? Due to rain, it will have the wetness in that, and there will be the leakage. And the cottage that will not withstand the rain, as well as it will, if there is a storm at that time, it will be destroyed, and because of that, it is not that much strong. So, cement concrete is used in the construction, and it is very useful for building the strong houses. Now, let us see which are the materials those are used for construction. Metals, wood, stone, cement, sand, concrete, bricks, soil, iron, steel, marble. There are so many things those are used in the construction purposes, and these make our house. Now, the main ingredient that is used in it is cement. Cement is very important for the construction of buildings, footpaths, roads, dams, everywhere. And how does it look like? See, cement is dry greenish grey powder with very fine particles. If you have seen cement, it is very fine, smooth. And the ingredients of cement, there are 5 major ingredients. And for remembering these ingredients, I have made one clue. Salim. You have to remember only one word, Salim, and it will give you the answer in only single word. See, S for silica or sand. A for alumina. Alumina is the short form for aluminium oxide. Then lime. Then iron oxide and magnesia. Magnesia is nothing but magnesium oxide. In this way, see, Salim. These are the ingredients of cement. How? S for silica, A for alumina, L for lime, I for iron oxide, M for magnesia or magnesium oxide. In this way, we have studied some things about cement. Now, this in construction, the most popular cement is Portland cement. It is most commonly used cement. And what are the ingredients? What is the difference between the regular cement and Portland cement? See, it contains lime. Lime means calcium oxide, and 60% of calcium oxide is there. Then silica, it contains 25% of silica and 5% of alumina. Then iron oxide and gypsum, they are in the remaining proportion. 60 plus 25 plus 5, it becomes 90, and in remaining 10% there is iron oxide as well as gypsum. Gypsum is nothing but calcium sulfate. The calcium sulfate is named by another name, and that is gypsum. Now, this Portland cement, why it is called Portland? It gets its name from the stone that is quarried from the Isle of Portland in England. In England, there is one a place island of Portland, and the stones those are derived from there. They have the similar appearance like that. That's why it is called Portland cement. Then Romans used to make aqueous cement in ancient days. It is said that Roman people they used to make aqueous cement by mixing volcanic ash in moistened lime. The ash that is remaining after volcano that was used for making cement, aqueous cement, and it was mixed with moistened lime. And it was also very useful for building strong houses, strong forts, buildings, and those were the very everlasting houses. But after some time, after some years, it was lost because there was ruining of the Roman Empire, and then this process of making aqueous cement it was lost. But in 1756, the British engineer John Smeaton he developed method of making aqueous cement again, and we got the method of making aqueous cement from this engineer John Smeaton. Now, concrete. We always come across the word concrete. What is this concrete? Let us see it. Concrete is nothing but the mixture of cement, sand, water and gravel. That means concrete is prepared by mixing cement, sand, water and gravel, and it is used for making a strong leak-proof slab. Whenever there is slab at that time, you see the machine that mixes this all things together, and there is preparation of concrete continuously, and it is used for making slabs. And this slabs should be strong as well as leak proof. That's why this concrete is prepared very carefully. Then for building foundations of the buildings, then for making roads, footpaths, the concrete is used. For making sheets also concrete is used. In this way we have studied all these things. In nowadays government is making cement roads everywhere. The work of making constructions of all these things as well as work of making these roads of cement, it is with high speed. Why? Because the roads that is those are made by cement, they are long lasting and they are very strong as well as they are smooth. That's why they are preferred nowadays. And in this way we have studied all the materials that we use in our day-to-day life. Thank you.